Hello everyone. Today we're going to speak to learn how to present ourselves, to introduce ourselves in Haitian Creole. Um, a lot of people they confuse. They always call Haitian Creole French, which they don't understand that Haitian Creole is completely different from French language. Yes, there are some French word and in it some sound, but it's not at all a French language. Haitian Creole is a mixed language. You have French, you have Portuguese, you have Yoruba from Africa, you have from Nigeria, you have a lot of African language in Haitian Creole. You have to understand the history of this language is coming from mainly West Africa. That when they take the Africans and took them to the island of the Hispaniola, which is now the Dominican Republic and the Republic of Haiti. So they forced those people to not speaking the language, to not practicing the culture, and from there, the people, the Haitians, they decided to come together to create what they call Haitian Creole, so the French could not understand them. That's the history behind this beautiful language. It's not French, it's a language that is speaking by the Haitian people. And again, to give you a little bit more history, this language they have not only Haiti, there's a lot of countries in the Caribbean who they speak Creole, and also in Africa. If you go to Cape Verde, they speak Creole. They also speak Creole in Martinique, in Guadeloupe, in Guyana, in Saint Lucia. There are so many Dominica. There are so many Caribbean countries that speak Creole. Okay, so we're going to practice. Okay, a lot of words you know in the America. If you say you see Haitian, everybody asks you like pass. ah, Lord. Okay, so we're gonna start by sac passe, since it's a word that is very famous. Sac passe égale how are you? Like what's up? That's sac passe. Qui j'en ouye. Or you can also say qui j'en ouye. Qui j'en ouye. It means the same, right? It means the same. How are you? Oh merde. So why? I need my computer. How are you? Um, we're going more. And alors, sac passé mean how are you? Qui j'en ouye? Qui j'en ouye mean how are you too? And how you answer? Muy bien. That's my favorite language, by the way. Muy bien. That's mean I'm good. Haitian Creole is my favorite language, probably all the language that I speak. To say um, I'm not bad. Muy, muy pas pli mal. Muy pas pi mal. It's pli. Muy pas pi mal. Pli mal. It depends of the person who speak it. Um, I'm not. I'm not. I'm not that bad. Muy malade. Oops. This is when the French come. Because this is the same as French. Malade is the same in French. It means the same, but in French we have the E. That's it. But in Creole we don't put the E. Muy malade. So, oops, I'm sick. Um, um, what else I can say? Qui non, qui non. So, in Haitian Creole, this means what's your name? I'm gonna have you. Qui Jean relais is mean the same. Qui Jean. We have different way. Qui Jean relais. Qui non, qui Jean relais. Voilà. Those are the two I know. That's mean. What's your name? Qui non. Repeat. Qui non. So you see, this is not French. French, we say comment tu t'appelles, not qui non, qui Jean relais. So don't mix it. What's your name? Right? And c'est dit moi relais Marie. That's a very common name in Haitian Creole. So we're gonna say my name is Marie. Or you can say nom c'est Marie. It's the same as my name is. It's just my name is Marie. Marie Mary is the same. You just say it different. That is a very common name in my culture. Après, you can say qui la joue. This one, yes, you can hear like French. L'âge is the same, but it's right differently. Qui la joue. I think they have another way to say combien ton gain. They don't really use that, but you can ask qui la joue. So I want to make a difference with that. This one, it's age. How old are you? You see how it said l'âge in French? This is how we write l'âge. Oh merde, I write too fast or something. That's l'âge in French. And there's an accent. I don't know what's the accent in English. There's an accent on the A, but we pronounce it the same. L'âge, and it means the same thing. Qui la joue? Here is in French, they will ask you, quel âge as-tu? Do you understand? In French, it will be like this. Quel âge as-tu? So this is different, right? So you completely see when it's more complicated in French. Qui la joue? Qui la joue? Qui la joue gagné? Combien temps gagné? Voilà. Another way to say combien temps ou gagné. Okay? The same. How old are you? Is the same. And the person answer, moi gain 25 ans. Oops, you don't put that. Okay? Moi gain 25 ans. again, whatever age you are. Okay, so we're gonna translate. There's a S, right? Après, what else can I say? Qui côté ou sorti? Qui côté ou sorti en Haïti? So Haiti in Creole, we write it like that, okay? Where are you from in Haiti? Mine, sorti, Leogan. I came from Leogan. Voilà. And combien? Oh là là. Comment sorti Leogan? Oh, on va gagner assez, non? On va gagner assez. Alors, combien frais accès ou gagner? I'm gonna also put make a difference with that. So if you want, this is very the name frère is c'est. It's close to French. French we said frère with an accent, and c'est we say sœur, right? So this person is asking how many brother and sister that you have. In French, listen, and the combien, you see the combien mean how we write combien in French. We're gonna write it like this, combien, but we pronounce it the same. But the c'est, if you say that to a French person, he will not understand. We say sœur, and frère, frère. You don't say frère, we say frère in Haitian Creole. So it's very funny. Pour dire combien, you say combien. You just write it differently, but it pronounced the same. Alors, let's make it in French. Combien de frères et sœurs que vous aviez? Vous voyez, c'est complètement différent. Oh là là, I put it, this is supposed to be there, sorry. So I just wanted to show you the difference between the two languages so people understand. It's this language is completely independent by itself, and more you speak, you will understand. Haitian Creole is actually very close to West African language, very close. A lot of words, like wale is a big, wale mean I'm leaving, and this name is very well famous in Nigeria. My ex-husband name is Wale. He from Nigeria originally, even he was born here. So married to a Nigerian man, I feel like I was I feel like some of the food that I was cooking, it's like my food but different name. So clearly Haitian people are definitely from West Africa. And combien fait accès ou gagner? That's mean how many brother and sisters do you have? Alors, I didn't show that also. So in French, when you ask, this is a plural question, right? Combien frères accès ou gagné? In French, you will have the S in frère, and oh merde, it will be like that, frère, and sœur will be like that, sœur, because we're talking in plural, not singular. Okay, and voila. We have, can I go there? I'm new to this thing. I don't know if I can put it that way. Let's see if I can. No. Okay, so we're gonna stop here. We're gonna just we're going to repeat. I guess you get the idea that what I'm trying to do. So let's say uh nous. Haitian Creole, I feel like it's easier to learn than French. French is more complicated. Haitian Creole is like English. There's not a lot of rules. English is harder because in English you always have to pronounce, and sometimes you have to add the S and sounds, and Haitian Creole is very, very easy. So, nous apprendre créole, créole haïtien, haïtien. That means let's, can I put it there? Cannot write there anymore. Oh. That means let's learn Haitian Creole. Okay. Sac passé, qui jan ouye. Repeat after me. Sac passé, qui jan ouye. I just need to teach you that because majority of people in the US they know this word. Qui jan ouye. Oh, jan. Qui jan ouye. That means how are you? Moins bien. I'm good. Moins bien. Moins papi mal. I'm not bad. Or I'm okay. Let's say I'm okay because American use that a lot. I'm okay. Moins malade. I'm sick. In French, you will say je suis malade. Moins malade. I'm sick. Qui non? What's your name? Qui non? What's your name? Or you can say qui jan. Qui jan rele. That's mean what's your name also. Qui jan rele. Or you can say qui jan ou rele. This is just, you can also write qui jan ou rele. You can write it this way, or you can go that way. For speaking, qui jan ou rele. We don't really say qui jan rele. What's your name? Moi rele Marie. My name is Marie. Moi rele Marie. Nom c'est Marie. My name is Marie. Nom c'est Marie. Qui l'âge ou? How old are you? Qui l'âge ou? Combien temps ou gagné? This is the same question with a different, you ask it different way. Combien temps ou gagné? How old are you? Moi gen 25 ans. I'm 25 years old. Moi gen 25 ans. Qui kote ou soti en Haiti? Qui kote ou soti en Haiti? Where are you from in Haiti? Moi soti Leogan. I came from Leogan. By the way, I was born in Leogan for real. That's my favorite city. So, moi soti Leogan. Combien frères accès ou gagné? Combien frères accès ou gagné? So I don't even need to stay long into this. I feel like the way it's writing is the way you pronounce it. It's not hard like French. Ah, bonjour, bonsoir. So this one is easy. You hear everyone in the US know sac passe, things like that. They know some little word from here and there, you know. Qui j'en ye? How are you? Moins bien, I'm good. Moins pas pi mal, I'm not bad, I'm okay. Moins malade, I'm sick. Qui non? What's your name? Qui j'en rele? What's your name? Moi rele Marie. My name is Marie. Nom c'est Marie. My name is Marie. Qui l'âge? How old are you? Combien de temps ou gagne? How old are you? Moi gagne 25 ans. I'm 25 years old. Qui kote ou soti en Haiti? This one I have to probably say slower. I just find out I speak fast by listening to me. I said, oh my God, I speak really fast. Qui kote ou soti? Répète après moi. Répétez après. I have to remember I'm speaking in Haitian Creole, no French. Qui kote? Répétez après. In French we said, répète ou répétez après moi. Qui kote ou soti en Haiti? Qui kote ou soti en Haiti? Where are you from in Haiti? Moi soti Léogane. I came from Léogane, or I from Léogane. Combien frais? Combien frais accès ou gagné? Combien frais accès ou gagné? How many brothers and sisters do you have? That's it. Moi di nou merci deske nou gade video sa. So you're gonna have to find out what I'm saying. Moi di ou merci deske ou gade video sa. Pabliye abone avem pou m fè plus video. Sou vle mwen fè lot video sur un diferent topic, un diferent bagay. Fem konen map fel. Okay, I said thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want me to make a video on a different topic, please put a comment and don't forget to subscribe. Napwem apre on lot jou. You will see me after another day. Have a wonderful day, okay? Passez un bon journée. Bon Dieu béni. Have a good day. God bless you. Bon Dieu. Let me teach you that word. That's my favorite word. Bon Dieu. That's another word. That's mean. Bon Dieu and bon Dieu. This is the French word. France. So, see? Bon Dieu, bon Dieu. Alors, let me teach you more. Jésus. Because we need that. Haïti. Jésus. France. So but mean, what I do? But mean, okay. God, my God. Mon Dieu. Bon Dieu, ouais. Mon Dieu. Non, c'est bon Dieu, on dit. En créole, I think it's bon Dieu. Voila. So you got the concept, okay? Why I put okay, yeah. So there you go. And you got this. Have a wonderful day. I love languages and I like to share.